On this episode of Calling Camps, I traveled to Sedona for my birthday to get a great view and do a little fishing on the side. I didn't end up actually catching anything, but I hope you get to enjoy this video.
You can see the trout. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. We're either gonna make it or we're not. I don't want to fish near any of the people. Plus the guy at the front said we're not supposed to fish near people. Obviously, state park. Let's be considerate. Wow. Absolutely wow. I've never been here before. This place is wild. I love the view. Let's try over here. Lizard! Powerbait, power eggs, garlic scent, the fluorescent orange ones, little bobber and hook setup. I made this, I don't know if you can see it or not, but barbless. I have barbless hooks here, so I kind of just bent down all the barbs on here. Alright, it says garlic scented. Oh my god, that smells terribly of garlic, you guys. Terribly of garlic. I just want one of these disgusting things, and I don't want to touch it preferably. I have white and yellow as well. There it is. A lot of orange, see if it works. Perfect, but I took it too far. Oh, there they are, there they are. Oh, right past them. Oh, looked at it. Looked at it and said no. What? If I get that fly out, that new bobber I have, I've never used, I think it might do something. Alright guys, this is the new bobber I have. I've never used it. I just saw it, thought I'd get it one day. Adjust the bubble. Goes right through it and just twist it, I guess. So I'm going to put it on with the fluorescent white and see what that can't do. Alright guys, I figured it out. So I give myself about 18 inches to 2 feet or so. Still have to tie my hook on there again, but we're going to go like this. We're going to grab it and we're just going to twist it. And it literally twists the rubber right around it. Perfect. Oh, dude. Right past it again. Looked at both the bobber and the power bait and just went right past it. the fly fishing attempt here. Very small fly. Black, maybe green with a little red tail. Let's see if they go after this. Oh, I forgot. Same setup as last time. Centron. Cast King. Little Shakespeare. Camera back on, but he tried to go after it a second ago. I keep trying, but not going for it. Oh, I thought he was gonna eat it. It went right past him. What? Oh, that's... Dude, they both went past it. No way. Come on, eat it, Sally. Alright, everybody. Went with the Trout magnet. I believe this is the watermelon with red speck. I believe I've made it past most of the people, if not all of them. I'm upstream. Really wish I had a pair of waders. Oh, don't do that. Wow. Let's try something. Oh God, mercy on my soul. There we go. There's a big rock up there. It looks perfect. Oh God. Look at that big rock. This is apparently the end of the road over here. Now we have to cross across this somehow. We're going in! We're going in! Oh my God, how did I survive that? Wow. Okay. My shoe is wet. My shoe is wet. We have found the edge of it. It looks promising, but I don't know. There we go. You can see him over there. Moss. Come on. All the way over there. There we go. Oh, it's stuck in the tree. Come on. There's no way. Oh, there we go. I was about to say, that's ridiculous. They keep eyeballing it, but I don't want that. Put it out over there. Alright, another setup. Bobber. Some of those yellow cheese salmon eggs. Just throw it out there, see what happens.
Lay it down there. I'm gonna see if I can't fill it all the way down there. Scared a bunch of small ones away. Oops.